Hi everyone, I'm Holly with Quilting Pantographs. Today I'm going to attach and test my new foot that I got from my Longarm, and this is by the Grace Company. It's the Glide Hopping Foot, and I've been wanting this for a very long time, but I didn't want to have to purchase the full set of feet just to get this one, so I'm really excited that you can buy it by itself now. I paid $59.99 for it, and I discovered it was available when the Grace Company had their fall quilting festival. I also posted that this was available on our Facebook group that I belong to for the Grace Company Unique machines. Everyone was so excited and asked a lot of questions. Will this fit my machine? Will it fit this version? So I thought I would go ahead and attach it to my machine, give it a test run, and make a video to show everybody. So yeah, I've got the Unique 14 Plus, and I'm going to reposition my camera, point it down, and then we'll give it a test. Stand by. Okay, so I have attached the foot to the machine, and the foot came with some instructions, and it shows you two different versions of collars. I definitely have the version 2, which means that the foot will work on here. You attach the foot back here to the collar and you screw it in with the screw. I just used the screw from my previous one. It also comes with this hopping foot height gauge, a little piece of metal, very thin, to put under there and make sure that you have the right height with your foot. So it looks great, and I'm ready to test it. I'm going to use this fabric that I've been working on for creating our free pattern of the month, which is the Thanksgiving turkey. And I have it stitched upside down because I stitch from the back with my paper pantographs. So I'm going to go ahead and do some stitching, and we'll see how this goes. It stitches beautifully and no skipped stitches. I just love this foot, and because it's bowl shaped, it's not going to catch on any edges, so this is going to be great for thick seams or going over the edges of appliques. And yeah, I'm really happy with this, so I look forward to using this on my first full quilt. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you've been thinking about getting the Glide Hopping Foot, you really should do it. I'm so glad that I got it and that it's a part of my accessories now. Visit us at quiltingpantographs.com and grab a free pattern. Each month we offer the free pattern of the month, and for November of 2021 it's this one, which is Thanksgiving turkey. So grab a pattern, and as always, happy stitching.